My name is James Hagler, and I'm a student in the Doctor of Public Administration program here at Valdosta State. My dissertation is entitled A Success Story, an exploration of the consolidation efforts in the University System of Georgia. In November of 2011, the USG Board of Regents passed the 6 principles of consolidation by which all consolidations would be guided in determining which institutions would be involved. From 2013 to 2018, the USG BOR used these principles in the efforts to consolidate 18 institutions into 9. Through this process, the BOR has looked to improve accessibility to education based on Principle 2, while also removing duplication of programs for optimizing instruction based on Principle 3. Additionally, the BOR used economies of scale and scope for Principle 4, along with streamlining of administrative service for Principle 6 to help find savings in the budget. In the first part of this 2-part study, the data shows the average percentage change from consolidation year to the first year after consolidation, as well as the pre-consolidation average as compared to the post-consolidation average. In the areas of budget, we see the first year after consolidation showed a savings, but in the overall time period post-consolidation, the averages of the 9 institutions showed a 12% increase after consolidation. The largest area of increase shows to be in personal services, while the smallest increase came in operating expenses. As for the students, the 7.41% drop was found in the first year from enrollment after consolidation, an average of 9.27% combined. While enrollment did drop, retention was actually higher at these institutions in the 1-year measure of first-time freshman cohorts, showing a positive correlation between retention and consolidation. Tuition and fees showed a 2.5% increase in the cost of students in the first year after consolidation, but a 19% increase in comparison of pre to post consolidation data at the newly consolidated institutions. The second part of the study surveyed consolidation committee members at 3 institutions. Question asked about issues dealt with, leadership changes, charges received, and views of success to the consolidation committees. The chart on the right shows 14 of the 19 responses felt the consolidation was successful, with 5 feeling it was unsuccessful. Some of the issues reported included name changes, trust between campuses, and bringing together campuses with different cultures into one institution. The primary findings from this study show the economies of scale were not truly recognized, as costs are higher now across the 9 institutions prior to consolidation. Second, enrollment took a hit in the consolidations and has not recovered. However, retention has benefited in the first-year freshmen on average. This could be in part to transfers related to schools that are now consolidated, such as Georgia Perimeter to Georgia State. Just like the increased budget, tuition and fees have increased across the institution. Part 2 of the study provides information which can be used in future consolidations and the BOR to find common issues early in the process. Thank you for your time, and I hope you take a look at the final publication at the end of the year.